Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create new Google account on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, for those of you who want to create new Google account, it's very easy. Now the first, you can go to settings menu and then scroll down and go to account and backup, and then click manage account and then click add account and click Google. And after that, now you can create a new account for personal use, and then you can enter your name and your last name for optional. Click next, and then now you can enter your basic information like birth date, birth year, and gender. After that, click next and you can choose your Gmail address, and then now you can create a strong password for your account. Click next, and then after that you can review your account info, and after that now you can agree all of privacy and terms. And here's your new Google account. Alright guys, it's easy, right? And then here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching guys.